Special rules apply to EEA nationals wishing to apply for universal credit. Those EEA nationals who were living in the UK before it left the EU gained certain rights under EU law, including the right to claim benefits. These EEA nationals need to protect these rights by applying to the EU settlement scheme and being granted either settled or pre-settled status. This includes children who are EEA nationals and EEA nationals who have been living in the UK for a considerable period. The EEA nationals who can protect their rights in this way are those who were living in the UK by the 31st of December 2020. The official closing date for these EEA nationals to apply to the EU settlement scheme was the 30th of June 2021, but late applications can be accepted where the applicant can show a good reason. Those applying to the EU settlement scheme will either be given settled status, if they can show they have lived in the UK for 5 years or more, or pre-settled status. Having either status allows them to stay living and working in the UK. If they are granted settled status, then they will have the same rights to claim benefits as British citizens. If given pre-settled status, then in order to claim benefits, including universal credit, they will also need to have, and be able to demonstrate that they have, a qualifying right to reside for benefit purposes. These qualifying right to reside rules have been taken from the regulations that applied before the UK left the EU, and apply to any EEA national with pre-settled status who is wishing to claim universal credit. There are various routes to having a qualifying right to reside for benefit purposes: by being a worker, by retaining that worker status, by having permanent resident status, by deriving a right through a child in education, or in some cases, by piggybacking on another EEA national's right to reside. The rules are complicated, and an EEA national should always seek advice if they are refused a benefit, to check that this is the right decision. For most EEA nationals coming to the UK on or after the 1st of January 2021, unless they are coming to join a family member, a different set of rules will apply: the new points-based immigration system. As they were not living in the UK before it left the EU, they have no rights that need protecting. These EEA nationals will normally have applied for a visa to come to the UK, or just be a visitor, so they will normally have no recourse to public funds. This means they will be unable to claim benefits, including universal credit. After they have been living in the UK for 5 years, they will be able to apply for indefinite leave to remain. If granted, they will then have the same rights to claim benefits as British citizens. If you would like a better understanding of how these rules work, why not take a look at our EEA Nationals and UC e-learning, or get booked onto one of our workshops. And don't forget, our website is packed full of useful information, mapping tools and standard letters that will help you provide the right advice to your customers.